If you're from the States, what do you think of when you think of motorcycle culture? You think of a leather jacket, sleeve full of tattoos. In the States, you have like all these colors and all these different things. But the motorcycle culture here is very different. In the States, you think of people with a bunch of tattoos, leather jacket, tough guy. They're all about the motorcycles. Like, they love their motorcycles. Here, they just use motorcycles as a means of transportation. I don't know how many people own motorcycles, but I would just guess 30 to 50% of the traffic on the streets is motorcycle. You will see girls in high heels. You will see families. They're motorcycles, but they're as close as a motorcycle can get to a moped. The traffic here isn't very fast. A lot of people probably die from motorcycles, motorcycle accidents. I don't ride a motorcycle because it's so dangerous, and the statistics of getting in a wreck eventually are very high. And then the chances that you will be severely injured are also very high. And I always tell the people here this, and they don't want to listen to me because I'm some gringo telling them not to ride motorcycles. But there is definitely a big difference in the culture of motorcycles in the States and motorcycles here.